I live in North Carolina, and I normally throw my Boston ferns out every winter, but this year they look so incredible, and I hate to throw them away. Can I overwinter Boston ferns in the garage? And this is Sean on YouTube. Now, we know he lives in North Carolina.
Yes.
Appreciate that. But yeah, they just look incredible.
Yes.
But can he overwinter them?
Well, he can try.
You can try. give it a shot.
I have done that, and my suggestion is this: now, I drive and park in my garage,
Okay.
so you know it's open and shut
Right.
several times a day. I put it in a wall, against a wall that is an inside wall.
Okay.
Inside wall. Now, and there may not be light there, but on warmer days, I would pull it out so it would get some light from a window.
Okay.
But then I'd put it back. When it was really cold, I took a clear shower curtain, an old shower curtain, and you know how you have to go from the ground up, and I've just made a little tent out of against the wall,
Okay.
the inside wall, and it did live. Some of them lived. Now, if it's really, really cold, sometimes even that with the garage door opening and closing is not, it didn't save them, but
Right.
it has saved several ferns
They
that
just
way.
look so ratty though after a while,
after,
you know.
because there's going to be no light,
Yeah.
there's going to drop almost every one of its leaves.
it just looks
and it's
bad
going to
after a
look
while.
really, really bad, and you've got to make sure that it's moist but not too wet.
Right.
And so, but he can try. I mean,
yeah,
I
give it
try.
a shot. Give it a shot.
I say you have nothing else to lose.
Give it a shot.
But yeah, a clear shower curtain for when it's really cold to just against that wall to try
Yeah.
to make a tent out of it to save from the cold temperatures is a huge way to try to save it.
Yeah, yeah. And definitely consider the watering.
Yeah.
Because you've done this, and my mom tries to do this every year. Go ahead, Mom. Go ahead and try it. And it looks bad after a while, though.
Uh-huh.
It just really does. And you know something else? Humidity is a factor as well when you're
Yes.
bringing them indoors. So that's something to think about, too.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would give it a shot, Sean.
I would too.
I would try it.
Yeah, I've done it.
Yeah. You've done it.
You've
It'll
done
work.
it.
My mom does it.
It works sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.